today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Check out that baby slide-in camper. That'd fit right in the back of Mini. That is cool. Going into Jan's carport, might be getting my garage. Hey Jan. So the garage I chose was 30 by 40 with 12-foot legs. Both sides are going to be enclosed and each end closed. I did 3 10 by 10 roll-up doors. Decided to go with the 3 door chains. 1 walk-in door, 4 windows, and they have to put 3 headers because my roll-up doors are on the side of the building, not on the ends. I also decided to use Jan's services for her to pull all the permits since I'm not going to be around and I don't want the headache. That machine's no joke. Got to clear for the garage, boys. Man, it pops them trees right out. That's a pretty good sized tree there. Digging the roots. He's a good operator. Think they'll do it? Holy cow, it did it. Holy cow. That's crazy. Look at the size of that taproot. My God. My little tractor would never do that. Nothing to it when you got big enough equipment. That's got a huge taproot too.
All right. They're usually as long as the tree is tall, aren't they?
Look how long it is.
Yeah, right.
About half probably. Look at the size of that thing. Nice job. Well, it looks pretty open now, doesn't it? 30 by 40, boys. Now it's time to form up for the concrete slab. I end up using Eno. He's been around the area for a long time. He's very good at what he does. The slab has to have a footer around it, and the dirt that's going to be brought in has to be sprayed for termites, as per code. Now let's watch the masters do their work.
We got 51.
Now they have to build up the floor where the slab's going to be poured so it's level and above grade. This will take approximately 3 loads of dirt. How'd that get in there? Now it's time to level out all them mounds of dirt.
Nope. Red iron workers? Nope. We got two on this side, just trying to chase them around. Whoa, God.
Time for a little termite treatment. Now it's time for final prep, putting the vapor barrier down and putting a rebar. The inspector comes out to give his approval. It passes, so it looks like we're ready to pour on Friday. So it looks like the second inspector showed up there early this morning.
hundreds of figs again.
Go there and tap it. You see how it went down real easy?
I can see it in your eyes.
My niggas to get money, but I ain't no convinced, I'm putting them sick.
Well, it's all done. Looks like a really nice job. Dan Eno does some good work and his guys. I was more than happy. They did everything right. Very, very professional. So now I got about 6 weeks until my garage gets delivered and installed, and I'll be heading back down to Florida, so it'll be perfect timing. I'll be sure to document all of that too, so stay tuned for that. Also, a special thanks to Jan from Jan Carports.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.